It is a wonderful morning to be Jamaican. As the sun rises on our beautiful island, we have another reason to stand tall and feel that immense sense of national pride that defines us. We are a people known for our music, our culture, and our unmatched athletic prowess. We have consistently shown the world that greatness comes from this small but mighty nation. Today, we celebrate a new chapter in our story of leadership. This time, our excellence is shining brightly in the world of technology and artificial intelligence. This is a moment that proves, once again, that Jamaica is not just a follower, but a leader on the global stage, ready to shape the future for our entire region. Just a few days ago, on September 12, 2025, history was made. 4 of our very own brilliant minds were appointed to the newly formed Caribbean Artificial Intelligence Task Force. This is not just a small achievement, it is a monumental milestone. It sends a clear message to the world. When it comes to the next great technological revolution, Jamaica is at the forefront. We are taking our rightful place at the table, ready to guide the conversation and build a future that works for all of us. This is a story of vision, dedication, and the unshakable Jamaican spirit that always pushes us to aim for the highest heights in any field we choose to enter. This appointment is a testament to the talent that we nurture right here at home. It shows that our investment in education, innovation, and forward-thinking leadership is paying off in remarkable ways. We have always been a nation of pioneers, from the Maroons who fought for freedom to the musicians who created new genres of sound. Now, we are pioneering in the digital frontier. These 4 individuals are carrying the torch for a new generation, proving that our legacy of greatness is alive and well. They are not just representing themselves, they are representing every Jamaican who dares to dream big and work hard to make those dreams a reality. As we look toward the future, we can be filled with hope and excitement. The age of artificial intelligence is upon us, and it will change everything about how we live, work, and connect with one another. Instead of watching from the sidelines, Jamaica is stepping up to lead the charge for the entire Caribbean. This is our chance to ensure that this powerful technology is used for good, to uplift our communities, and to create new opportunities for our people. Let us all take a moment to celebrate this incredible achievement and feel proud of the Jamaicans who are lighting the way forward for us all. It is truly a great day for Jamaica. So who are these 4 Jamaicans making us so proud? Let's get to know the brilliant leaders who are taking on this incredible responsibility. First, we have the esteemed Christopher Record. He is a true veteran in the world of technology and has been a guiding force for innovation in Jamaica for years. It is no surprise that he will serve as the deputy chairman of this new Caribbean AI task force. Mr. Record is already the chairman of our own national AI task force here in Jamaica, so he brings a wealth of experience and a clear vision. His leadership ensures that Jamaica's perspective will be central to the regional strategy, building on the great work he has already started at home. Next, we have the brilliant Dr. Sean Thorpe. He is a shining example of our academic excellence. As the Dean of the Faculty of Engineering and Computing at the University of Technology, Jamaica, he is shaping the next generation of tech leaders. Dr. Thorpe holds the distinction of being the first person to earn a PhD in information security from UTech, which shows his pioneering spirit. His deep knowledge in areas like cloud computing and digital forensics is absolutely critical. He will help the task force navigate the complex technical challenges of AI, ensuring that our digital future is built on a secure and robust foundation. We also celebrate the appointment of Cordell Green, an attorney at law with a sharp and insightful mind. As the executive director of the Broadcasting Commission of Jamaica, he understands the power of information and the importance of responsible governance. Mr. Green also holds a key international role as the vice chair of UNESCO's Information for All program. This global experience is invaluable. He will bring a crucial perspective on ethics, policy, and making sure that AI is developed in a way that is fair, transparent, and benefits everyone in society, leaving no one behind in this new digital era. His voice will be essential for creating balanced regulations. Finally, we have the dynamic Deidre Jonelle Cousins. She is a powerhouse in the corporate world, serving as the Chief Information Officer at Grace Kennedy Limited, one of our most iconic companies. With over 2 decades of leadership experience in technology, she knows how to turn strategy into real-world results. At Grace Kennedy, she already leads the company's AI Governance Committee, which means she is an expert at applying AI in a practical and responsible way. Ms. Cousins brings a vital business perspective to the task force, ensuring that the development of AI will drive economic growth and create real, tangible opportunities for businesses and workers across the Caribbean. Now, you might be wondering what exactly this Caribbean Artificial Intelligence Task Force is all about. Put simply, its purpose is to guide our entire region into the age of AI. This is a big deal. The task force, which was launched by the Caribbean Telecommunications Union back in July, is designed to be our collective compass. It will help all of us navigate the opportunities and challenges that come with this powerful new technology. Instead of each island trying to figure it out alone, we will be working together as one strong, united Caribbean family. This collaborative approach will make us all stronger and more competitive on the world stage. One of the main goals of the task force is to create a unified plan for AI across the region. This means they will work on harmonizing our policies and regulations. Think of it like building a highway system that connects all the islands. By having consistent rules and standards, we can make it easier for businesses to innovate and for talent to collaborate across borders. This will help us build a single, powerful digital market. The task force will also focus on building our region's AI capacity, with a special emphasis on making sure that women, young people, and other underrepresented groups have the chance to get involved and lead the way. Another critical part of their mission is to promote ethical AI. We have all heard stories about the potential downsides of artificial intelligence, and this task force is here to make sure we get it right. They will work to ensure that AI is developed and used in a way that is fair, safe, and respects our human rights and values. Their work will be aligned with the United Nations Sustainable Development Goals, which means they are focused on using technology to solve real-world problems like poverty, inequality, and climate change. This is about using AI not just for profit, but for the progress and well-being of all our people. Finally, the task force will foster collaboration between different sectors. This means bringing together experts from government, academia, private businesses, and civil society. AI is not just a tech issue. It affects our economy, our education system, our healthcare, and so much more. By creating a space where everyone can work together, the task force will help us unlock the full potential of AI to drive innovation and create a more prosperous future for the entire Caribbean. Under the chairmanship of Dr. Craig Ramlall from Trinidad and Tobago, and with our 4 Jamaicans in key roles, the region is in very capable hands. This incredible achievement is not just a moment in time, it is part of a long and proud tradition of Jamaican excellence. For generations, we have shown the world that we are a nation of leaders and history makers. We see it every time our athletes step onto the track and leave the world in awe of their speed and determination. We hear it in the rhythms of our music, which have traveled to every corner of the globe and influenced countless artists. We taste it in our food and feel it in the warmth of our culture. The spirit of greatness is woven into the very fabric of who we are as a people, and it knows no bounds. From Marcus Garvey's powerful vision of self-reliance to Louise Miss Lou Bennett Coverley's celebration of our unique language and culture, Jamaicans have always been trailblazers. We have never been content to simply accept the world as it is. We have always sought to shape it for the better. This legacy extends beyond our shores, as seen with figures like Congresswoman Yvette Clarke, a leader of Jamaican parentage in the U.S. Congress, who is also a key voice on AI regulation. This drive to lead is in our DNA. The appointment of our 4 experts to the Caribbean AI Task Force is the latest chapter in this inspiring story of Jamaican impact on the world. What this means for Jamaica's future is truly exciting. It solidifies our position as the tech hub of the Caribbean. It signals to investors and innovators around the world that Jamaica is the place to be for cutting-edge development. This will create new jobs, spark new businesses, and provide our young people with incredible opportunities to build their careers right here at home. We are moving from being known primarily for our natural resources and cultural exports to being recognized as a powerhouse of intellectual capital. This is how we build a sustainable and prosperous future for generations to come, securing our place in the global digital economy. So as we celebrate this moment, let us also see it as a call to action. Let this be an inspiration for every student in every classroom across our island. Let it be a reminder to every entrepreneur with a bold idea. Our legacy is not just something to look back on, it is something we must build upon every single day. We have shown the world our greatness on the track, on the stage, and now in the digital arena. Let us continue to dream big, to work hard, and to push the boundaries of what is possible. The future is ours to create. Let's keep making history together.